Alright, so we're gonna install these new terminals from SDHQ. You see I got it lined out right here. I'm gonna take the battery terminals off of here. I got them disconnected right now. We gotta cut this, reheat shrink this, and then clean this up right here and put that new block right there, so this will all be cleaned up. Let's go. Here's the battery sensor, right? We gotta take it off from this terminal and put it to this one. Here's the, it says built SDHQ built billet negative terminal sensor kit. Scan for instructions. We don't read instructions, but they said there's a special tool to remove this. I'm just gonna use some channel locks. So let me get the light over here. So what I used was just these regular teeth channel locks. I mean, if you don't have a tight grip, then it's gonna strip, but just break it, break the tension, and then now I can just screw it off, put all the screws and stuff. Okay, for the positive, the red, you got to peel back the what is this, electrical tape, and get this off, because we're gonna cut it and put the new terminal. So we're gonna cut it and then heat shrink it, and so let's go. Okay, the way these lugs came, where is it? It's 1 to 2 right there, lug kit. It comes with a like bolt, right? You see that green piece? Shit, let me see. So you see that little green piece? That's a bolt, and then it's threaded so you don't compress. I used a crescent and a 9/16 to tighten it all the way up, and it's it like clamps onto the wire, so that's new to me. But it's not a compression like your typical hand compression crimp. So yep, it's on there tight, and then I could put the heat shrink over. Oh, my light's falling. So I'll put the heat shrink, where did I put the heat shrink? Oh, I put the heat shrink right here. So I'll put the heat shrink over, and we're just gonna go like right there and then heat shrink it over. So these are all my lights and accessories and stuff. I'm actually gonna clean this up. We're gonna put this block, where is it? Right here, where all of these are gonna attach to, instead of being right there where I had it. We're gonna move it down so it'll be cleaner. Oh shit, I got water on there. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, so we're gonna put this block right here underneath. So let's go. I'm using a 5/16 to take this bolt off. I mean, you could take the battery out, but I don't need to take the battery off. And this one's a long bolt. Let's see if I could type. There we go. So here it is, 5/16. And now we're gonna put this one on here. That's fine. Okay, so the hardest part is getting this block because it's as you can see, it's an Allen. So doing this one hand holding the camera. Right, there's a hole in there, not the factory one, it's a different one, and it fits this M6 bolt, and as you can see, it's slow. Let me screw this in and then get all these wires tapped to the top. Okay, so I got all the connections onto this block, with the main connection running underneath right here, and it's gonna go where the battery whatchamacallit sensor is. And I had to utilize this one because I just couldn't, I mean, I could get it to fit, but the way I ran the wires, I would have to go under, but all of these are underneath. So it's pretty much tucked away. Okay, so I got everything a little bit snug. I didn't connect anything yet except this and this. This is not plugged in yet. So let's lift this up and tuck this to make it clean. Make sure it seats like that. I didn't heat shrink, I just electrical taped it. The fuck? Okay, and it goes like that. Tuck this to the side. Okay, red goes to red, black goes to black. And it's a little dirty. Now I can plug the sensor in and then get where's the screw? Okay, I got everything secured, correct. My lights, my accessories, black wires, red wires, everything's all plugged in tight, secured tight, no wiggling. I'm gonna zip tie this right here. It's fired up. Okay, just making sure all my lights are on. Let's get this off. Okay, I got everything plugged up correctly. There we go. Look how clean that is. SDHQ.